Did you know that the spices in your kitchen could be the secret to a healthier life, but also a hidden danger if misused? Spices not only add aroma and flavor to your dishes, but also offer a multitude of health benefits. Cloves, for instance, contain eugenol, a natural anesthetic that can help with toothaches. However, consuming too many cloves can lead to dangerously low blood sugar levels. Ginger is celebrated in Ayurveda for its digestive benefits and ability to prevent chronic diseases. But beware, high doses of ginger can cause heartburn, diarrhea, and even increase bleeding risk. Turmeric, with its powerful compound curcumin, is known to fight inflammation and infections. Yet, too much turmeric can disrupt your digestive system and even damage your liver. Garlic is a potent remedy for many health issues, from fighting bacteria to regulating blood sugar. However, excessive garlic intake can lead to gastrointestinal troubles and bad breath. Bay leaves are rich in antioxidants and help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But eating whole bay leaves can be dangerous as they are indigestible and may cause internal injuries. Cinnamon is great for controlling blood sugar and blood pressure, but too much can cause mouth irritation and allergic reactions. Nutmeg can relieve pain and promote relaxation, but overuse can lead to intoxication and severe side effects like seizures. Black pepper boosts bone health and metabolism, but excessive consumption can cause digestive issues and skin irritation. Spices like cayenne and black pepper can stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding in digestion. However, overuse of spices can lead to heartburn, acid reflux, and even dehydration. In winter, spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon can provide warmth and boost immunity. Thanks to Ayurveda, many spices are gaining popularity in the West for their health benefits. But remember, moderation is key to unlocking the benefits of spices without the risks. Spices are nature's gifts, but understanding their ideal dosage is crucial for reaping their full benefits. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or on medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.